Cryptocurrency is not gonna make you rich. Okay, before you start saying, you don't know what you're talking about, you know, blah, 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 first listen to this. The way cryptographic is an amazing technology. But cryptocurrency, buying a coin, it doesn't matter what it is, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever, buying that and saying, okay, I'm gonna make money off of this is not gonna make you rich. And people used to say that, oh, cryptocurrency is going to change the economy because it's decentralized, anyone can have access to that, and so on and so on and so on. But the thing is, cryptocurrency is still in this society that we live in. And in this society, we live in a capitalism-based society. And the way capitalism has been designed, it has been designed so that not everyone can be successful. This is really key to understand. Not everyone in this society can be successful. By design, it's not possible. The way the society has been designed, the way capitalism is designed, it's impossible for everyone to be successful. So the same goes for cryptocurrency or for stock market, for anything else. It was designed so that not everyone can be successful. So, and then to think that, oh, now that we have access to cryptocurrency, I'm gonna buy and then it's gonna make me more money or whatever, it's gonna 10x or 3x or whatever. The moment that you buy a currency and hold on to it, because they say buy and hold, or you can trade, but I'm gonna talk for the hold. If you buy and hold, it's gonna take value over time. But the thing is, it only takes value when someone else say, oh, I see value in this, and then buy it with a higher amount that you used to buy. So when that person does it, then it goes up in value because they bought it at that price. But the thing is, it goes up until nobody can buy it anymore. What then happens is that all those people who have been buying it at a higher rate, they lose their money, because if you have something that nobody wants, it goes down to zero. And like I said, the system has been designed so that even in the crypto world, just about 1% of people who invest into cryptocurrency actually make money off of it. Meaning 99% of people actually lose money into cryptocurrency. So to think that you're special, that you can make it and stuff like that, stop lying to yourself, because those people who make money off of it, they understand how economic works, they understand how capitalism works. And also, they are what you call the market maker. So those people who can decide to make the price go up or make a price go down. Those market makers are the one deciding of like what Bitcoin gonna be sold out or whatever. What cryptocurrency has made over time is that it has allowed people to even lose money faster, because now with no regulation, everyone can just buy cryptocurrency or whatever. People are losing money more than ever. And only 1% of people investing into cryptocurrencies are actually making money. And this is also very interesting, because I read an article and it was saying how many billionaires in cryptocurrency are actually dying. So why is this happening? I don't know. But the thing is, we don't know if they just died or if they were killed. So this is something that we don't know. But many billionaires in crypto world has been found dead. My opinion, they are killed. This is an assassination. Why? We can go into that, debating into that, but from what I know is that the moment the system that we live in, the moment it cannot control something, it's going to do anything that it can to get control over it, because the capitalism that we live in, it's a control-based system. So anything that it doesn't control, it's going to do everything so that it controls it. Because like I said, the way the society has been designed, not everyone can become wealthy. So those who are becoming wealthy is because they have an education that you don't have. My point now is, you need to get that education. We need to get education so that we can actually understand how all of those things work and actually start making money off of it. Because if you do not educate yourself, if you do not educate people, just give them cryptocurrency because you say, cryptocurrency is the future, then all those people are gonna end up losing money. And if you do not know about what I'm talking about here when I say education, I'm talking about a tool called TechnoTutor. If you want to know more about it or how it will help you to even educate yourself so that you can even start now making money with cryptocurrency, because like I said, only the 1% actually make money off of it. And I know some of them. If you want to change your education and be part of them, you can let me know. I can introduce you to them or to the tool that we have to actually educate yourself so that you can understand how things work and actually also start making money off of it. So that was it for why cryptocurrency is not going to make you rich. And if you want to know more about it, just let me know.